Hi guys, this is our introductory video on C programming language, and we're using code blocks as our IDE. And we're talking about variables and printf just for a start. Then after you have opened your code block, you see it displaying like this. So what you do is that you create a new project, you select console application, click on code, then click on C. Next, the title of your project, let's call this C program 13. If you are using code block for the first time, make sure you select the folder where the files received. Yeah. Then click on next. Then when you see this, you see a compiler. Your compiler will be displayed. The name of this compiler that we are using is GNU GCC compiler. If you are not with the right code block, like there's a link dropped earlier. That link is the download link to download the code block 20.03, and it comes with GNU GCC compiler. So just click the link and download it in case you don't have a code block that comes with the compiler. Then after you're done with all this setup, then click finish. It automatically creates the project. Then what you do is that you go to the source, click on this .c, main.c, click. You see default file present a default program, hello world. Okay, let me zoom it so as you can see what I'm talking about. Now, the default program for printing out hello world. This is the command call for printing an output. And what's the output? Hello world. Hello world. Then the /n means you should go to the next line. Your output, like the line that your output is being placed to extend to the next line, like any other program that's coming after this, any other output that's coming after this output, next step to the next line. These things you are seeing here, these are included stdio.h and stdlib.h. They are just header files. This stdio means studio standard input and output. Then stdlib means standard library. So you are calling them the functions. That's what you are doing right there for the header file. So let's just go down to business. Let's talk about variables. First of all, variables are how do I put it? Basically 4 types in nature. There are 4 types of variables when working with C programming language. The 4 types of variables are we have integers, characters, and we have floats. We also have double. Okay, but I'll be talking about integers and characters, and maybe double. Okay. Now let's start writing our program. First of all, you introduce the header file. Speed is snappy. I'm trying to make this video as short as possible. Okay. Then what you do, you introduce your int main. Note that all your codes and everything inside this curly bracket, between this open curly bracket and this close bracket here, that's where all your code will be. I will explain further after, maybe it should be in the next video, on some specific things that you need to know about your int main. Okay, but right now we're talking about variables and the printf. Now, we save variables. We save variables are of different types, which are integers, characters, and double. Now, to indicate an integer, we use int. Then assign a name to the variable that I want. So what's the name of the variable? Let's call this variable a is equal to what? What is it assigned to? Let's say it's equal to 29. Don't forget, integers are variables. So when you are representing numbers, like variables, numbers, use integer. Okay. And also note that integers are for whole numbers. For numbers without a decimal point. That's it. Then now this first line, it is equal to 29. Always cover your line with colon, a double colon. That's it. Then press enter. Then we'll now print f to bring out our output. Bracket open, bracket close. Then in double quotes, then type %d, because for you to print an integer out in an output, and now you use percentage. So I said percentage d to output integers. Percentage d, and comma. Don't forget, always close your command line. The semicolon. Then add return 0. That's how to print out an integer. This is an integer. A is an integer because 29 is a whole number. So let's print it out. Let's see what our output looks like. To print it out, click on build. If I click on build, click on run. Repeat that, but the shortest way, just click on F9. It's written here at the top of your code. Look, F9. So let's click on F9. Now these are output 29. So A represents 29 because A is equal to 29. So when you say print A, then it prints the value, which is 29. Yeah. Now, the next one is that let's talk about character. Character is denoted as a char. Let's say char B is equal to, use single quotes whenever you want to indicate, when you want to give a value, assign a value to character, use single quotes like this. Then let's say char is 5. Now char, which is character, it means a single character. That's what it means. Just the word is self-explanatory. See character, just one single content. Okay, just one single, like just 5. See 5, single 5, or R T Y, just one single content. Then let's print it out. How do you print it? Print F. Now for character, you use %C for character to represent character. %C, comma B, semicolon. And let's run our program. Let's see our output. Simple. Now look at our outputs, but there's something not right about this output. How come there's 29 while they are both in the same line? Now this is where your line syntax comes in play. The syntax that goes like this: /n. It means that whatever is in the next line is going to go to the next line. That's what it means. /n means after this percentage, which is A has been written. /n means nothing can be written in that line again except that output will be in the next line. Okay, this is what we used to say. Okay, next line, that's /n. It means to the next line. So let's run the program again. Let's see the output. F9, and look at the output. Wow, very good. Look at the output. Said 29, then this Y. Okay, now I've gotten that. In case you have any question or anything, you can just comment, speak up. That's it. Now we have next one. We have float. Float is more like numbers with a decimal point. Let's say float C is equal to 22.45667. Okay, then it close. Now, how do we now print out our float to use? Okay, printf. Now, for float, use percentage. I think you use %f for float. Then, sorry, comma C. Wherever is C there. Now, if you should print out this program, you see line 8 and line 9 be on the same line, output line. So in order for them to be in different outline, so you should now take this one After this program is being run, this line should be broken here. So slash n. So next line, which means this float output to be on the next line. So let's run F9. Click F9. Okay, this is now our output. This is our output. You see, very nice. It's good to practice what I call spacing, line spacing when it comes to programming. It's very good. So what we'll do now, we're going to arrange our programs accordingly. So to have good perfect spacing, very important. From this point, give space here. Then okay, use /n. I think it's more better this way. You can use 2/n, so double lines slash. Better. Okay, let's run the program and see what our output is. Wow, see, very good. Good spacing. Okay, then we can still add one space here, /n. /n is not actually necessary. You can give your single line, but just for me, my own way is how I did sometimes, so that my output will not be bulky. You see, 29y 22.45667. That's it. So hope you learned a lot in this video. This is just an introductory video. So our next video, you see it on our Telegram group and also our WhatsApp group. So just click on the link and join us. Invite your friends, join us. Let's make it fun. Let's make programming fun. Okay, it's a very easy thing to learn. People feel it's complex. No, it's not that complex. It's just with the right tutorial and guidance, you can get everything you want. So that's it. So thank you very much for watching the video.